Every day, fresh bananas arrive at the factory, carried by trucks from lush plantations. They're carefully unloaded, ready to begin their transformation into crispy, golden banana chips. Each banana passes through a quality inspection. Damaged or overripe fruit is removed, ensuring only the finest bananas move forward. Next, the bananas are thoroughly washed and sanitized. Water jets and rotating brushes remove dirt, sap, and impurities, preparing the fruit for peeling. Robotic arms gently peel each banana, revealing smooth, bright yellow flesh. The peels are recycled, and the bananas slide onto conveyors for slicing. High-speed blades cut bananas into uniform slices, ready for frying. Precision ensures every chip will be perfectly thin and crisp. Slices enter hot, bubbling fryers. Carefully controlled temperatures cook them to golden perfection. Automated paddles stir them evenly, producing a consistent crunch. Once fried, the banana chips are drained and lightly cooled. They're then seasoned with salt, sugar, or special flavors, coating each slice evenly. After cooling, the chips move to packaging machines. Bags are filled, vacuum sealed, and labeled with batch numbers and expiration dates, locking in freshness. Cartons are stacked and prepared for shipment. Trucks are loaded in the shipping bay, ready to deliver crispy banana chips to markets worldwide. From fresh fruit to golden chips, every step is carefully controlled. This is the incredible journey of bananas transformed into the crunchy, delicious snacks we love.